The quest of finding out some of the new aged startups in the Northeast region has taken us to feature one of its kind businesses in the domain of ecological third-party logistics services. Bikozy, a Dispur-based B2B startup amid the bustling Guwahati city. With a vision to support economically marginalized youth by employment generation in hyper-local delivery sector, Bikozy leverages cutting-edge technologies to create green jobs of tomorrow. Equipped with electric two-wheelers and an app-based delivery management system, these highly trained delivery executives serve the logistic needs of multiple business enterprises, ensuring on-time delivery. Today, Bikozy works with a number of online retail enterprises, providing eco-friendly delivery solutions with a team of nearly 30 delivery executives. Once the app is made available on Google Play Store, this figure is expected to go up significantly. To understand this, we have invited the founders of Bikozy to share their idea behind their manpower solutions and the eco-friendly delivery system.
Hi, this is Sumit and this is Sunit.
Hi.
We are from Team Bikozy. Today, let us take you through the journey of Bikozy. The online retail sector has seen a huge growth, especially after the pandemic. This has in turn increased the demand for delivery manpower solutions for many businesses. But managing an end-to-end cost-effective delivery logistics system is a huge challenge for many of the businesses around. So we have come up with a solution which offers end-to-end logistics services to businesses through a very user-friendly app called Bikozy.
With this growth comes another challenge. So if there is more demand, there is more number of deliveries. And more number of deliveries means more vehicles, which increases the pollution level by the vehicles. For that, we bring the e-mobility solutions from Bikozy. So let's imagine Guwahati, where deliveries are done through electric vehicles and not through the petrol vehicles. So this is where Bikozy brings the e-mobility solutions by converting all the petrol vehicles that are driven by the delivery executives and converting them to electric. This we're trying to create an eco-friendly logistics solution.
It is estimated that online retail sector will grow at a CAGR of 30% to reach $200 billion industry by 2026. This projected growth has resulted in an increase of hyper-local delivery services that will grow at CAGR 17% and expected to reach $455 billion by 2024. The growth of digital revolution, fueled by a pandemic crisis, increased demand for delivery professionals in hyperlocal markets. Manpower recruitment is a tedious and time-consuming process for the retailers to cover deliveries in hyperlocal segment. This rising demand for delivery executives push retail giants to have a dependable logistics partner, for which Bikozy developed an app, and this is how it works. Once the app is launched, it'll ask for pickup location. Fill up the details and insert the delivery location details. Specify in case of any special instruction and click Place Order. Upon confirmation, the delivery executive will pick up the order from the pickup location and within 30 minutes will deliver it to the customer doorstep. The growth in online market segment has another challenge to be tackled: rising air pollution. As per the data released by the World Economic Forum, global warming due to carbon dioxide emissions from delivery traffic alone would increase by 32% or about 6 million tons in coming years. And Bikozy has answered this critical challenge by its eco-delivery system on electric two-wheelers. Powered by a lithium battery, these noise-free electric two-wheelers can cover up to 160 kilometers with a fully charged battery. With this solution, Bikozy has solved two major problems: rising pollution and rising fuel cost.
The way we see the future of e-mobility is reducing the dependency on fossil fuel. So, see, the petrol, diesel, or whatever the fuels that we use today, our motto and our aim to achieve is this: to make this environment green and clean and safe. The governments are coming up in a very big way to make the people alert, and also in terms of e-mobility, that means in Northeast I am the only manufacturer of e-vehicles. So in a massive way, I am coming up in a massive way with the bond of some peoples, and we are working in R&D also. And lastly, we will be very much focusing on the Northeast green environment to make the environment clean, green and safe.
There is a real possibility of getting this done in the next 5 to 7 years, subject to innovations, proper policy regime that encourages access to the latest technologies, and a concerted effort by the Indian industry to cutting-edge technology solutions. In order to keep these two-wheelers on the run, Bikozy has a tie-up with a local battery manufacturer.
We are working on a completely new technology in battery. So currently the main problem faced by electric market is the battery life and range. So we came up with a new solution. Through this solution, we are giving a warranty or the capacity for the battery to be 5 years, and that can be extended even more to 7 years. So this is a completely new technology, and we have developed this technology in IIT Bombay, and currently we are even doing a manufacturing in IIT Bombay. And at present, we can, in a day, we can produce 50 units. So that is the capacity of our current production. We are happy to partner with Bikozy in order to provide energy solution for commercial viability of electric mobility.
The fate of this initiative will depend on a lot of factors such as government policies, infrastructure support, public awareness, to name a few. However, this is the way forward as the founders see it. This is a challenge for the business, and they are sure to achieve their goal.
The biggest question, or the major question for today's youth after completion of the studies, is that what career should they pursue?
So there are two ways: either search for an employment or create your own employment.
So in the first option, you will be working for somebody for the rest of your life.
And the next option, you know the answer. It's entrepreneurship.
The road of entrepreneurship is not a piece of cakewalk. For that, you have to stand tall. At times, you will be demotivated. People will not have faith in you. But for that, you have to be strong and you have to stand tall.
Team Bikozy has a challenge to spearhead a new horizon of business that generates green employment. They have a solution to address the upcoming market challenges in the online retail segment. They also have a vision, a belief, and most importantly, a team that is united by a common mission.